How to fix Spotify payment method declined after update. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another video. Today's video is about how you can fix Spotify payment method declined after an update. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. So the first thing that I recommend you guys to do is use the web version of your Spotify for this. So just go to Spotify, go to open.spotify.com, log in into your account, and after you do that, you will need to verify your payment details and ensure sufficient funds is there. So go to your account settings after you're on your web browser, tap on the top right corner on your profile icon, tap on account. After you tap on account, you'll be prompted to this page. After you're here, you can then re-enter your credit and debit card information. So scroll down, you'll find the payment option. Head over to saved payment cards. And from here, just add a card. Make sure that you include your credit or debit card details, including your expiration date and CVV. And also you'll need to make sure that the card that you use has enough funds to cover the subscription cost. And if that does not work, if it's not working, make sure that you're not using any VPNs or private DNS. After that, the problem should be fixed. If not, try a different payment method, such as another card or PayPal, and that should fix the problem. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.